Get a moving arm with this free software called Spud Tablet. Download the software from itch.io. Once you unzip it, it should have these files in it. Click here to start the program. It comes with a default hand and tablet. Put the hand behind your art program. Go to OBS and do a window capture or game capture with a chroma key filter. If you're fine with the default hand, you're done. If you want a custom hand like mine without any work, I have a hand asset pack on Ko-Fi with 8 skin tones and a PSD source file you can modify for even more colors. But if you want to draw your own hand, here's how to do it. Open arm template in the other zip file, draw a hand, draw an arm, separate the hand and arm at the wrist, and, this is important, make sure hand and arm overlaps on a perfect circle like this. Write down the location of the center of this circle with lasso tool. Write down the location of the tip of your pen as well. Put both of those numbers in the init file here and put your hand and arm in the override folder. We're done! Custom hand. Thanks for watching. Love ya. Bye.